So let's just talk about data-driven testing in Postman. So we'll basically see how we can get data from our external JSON or CSV file directly into our request. So here we have one post request. So in the post request we send the name and job, and in return as a response we got the name and job. So we're basically going to perform some test to check the name in the request is same as the name in the response. So here instead of writing the name we're gonna use the name variable, and similarly for the job also we're gonna use the job variable. Now these variables will not came from the environment or the global variables, they will came from the external JSON or CSV file. So let's just create one external JSON file. So the JSON file will have the name property, and the name can be Sam and the job can be like doctor. So we're gonna create another entry, so let's just copy paste, and here the name can be John and the job can be lawyer. So we have created one JSON with two entries. Now we're gonna use this name and job directly into our request as a variable, and then we're gonna perform some test. So the name of the test will be verify name, and then we have to write response body dot has data dot name. So we are basically checking if the response body has the same name. So here the data dot name refers to the name in the JSON file. Similarly also we can verify the job also. So we're gonna call this verify job, and we're gonna check if the response body has the same job. So here the data dot job refers to the job in the JSON file. So let's now run this. So we have to click on this three dot beside the new collection and then click on run collection. So here you can see we have so many requests. We are only going to run this post request. Here you have to select the data file. So we're gonna select the data.json file, and you can see automatically the iteration changed to 2 because we have 2 entries inside our JSON. And also we can see the preview of that JSON file. So you can see we have 2 iterations and we have the name and the job. And now we have to click on run new collection. So you can see both of the test has been passed. That means the name in the request and the name in the response are verified as same. So this is the way we can get the data from external JSON or CSV file into our request, and we can perform test over that data. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.